Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me. And once again, I'm here to answer a few or one request that one of my viewers, I don't know, I can't remember the name, requested that I do a tutorial on buying things in the market or in the supermarket. Well, before I begin, I want to say thank you so much, guys, for choosing this channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and even for the new subscribers, I so much appreciate. And I'm looking forward to making this a very beautiful channel. And yeah, we've been growing as day goes by, as days are going by, and I'm so proud of everyone. And I just want to say, if it were not for you guys, I honestly would not be where I am today. And I appreciate your presence. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, sharing these contents to your families, your friends, and everyone around you. And drop your suggestions down there. I so much appreciate, and it's always good to give a feedback. Now let's go ahead to let's say I'm going to give okay, let's say it's a conversation on buying of things in the market or in the supermarket. Now, how do I start? When I want to say I want to go to the market, how do I say that? Direda godie doko. Or maybe I want to say I want to go to the supermarket. Direda godie supermarket. Or you can say direda godie duka. Now, duka is generally a grocery shop or Walmart or any kind of shop that offers things that we use on our day-to-day basis, or a kiosk, or whatever shop that is available. So we call that duka. Direda wodhie duka, or dadhie duka. I'm going to the shop. Dadhie duka. Or you can say diradhie duka. Okay, for example, you might want to ask, why are you going to the shop? Urathi duka gwika atia? Urathi duka gwika atia? Or you can say urathi thoko kugura ki? What are you going to buy in the market? Urathi thoko kugura ki? Urathi thoko kugura ki? Urathi thoko kugura ki? What are you going to buy in the market? Urathi thoko kugura ki? Or you can say, what are you going to buy in the shop? Urathi duka kugura ki? And I might answer and say, I'm going to buy sugar and salt. Dathie duka kugura shukari na shube. Dathie duka kugura shukari na shube. I'm going to the shop to buy salt and sugar. Shukari is sugar, salt is shube. Shukari na shube. Kugura, to buy. Dathie, to go. Dathie duka shop kugura shukari na shube. Or you can say, I'm going to the shop to buy milk. Dathie duka kugura iria. Dathie duka kugura iria. I'm going to the market. Duka or to the shop, duka kugura iria, to buy milk. Or you can say ndathie thoko kugura waru. Ndathie thoko kugura waru. I'm going to the market to buy potatoes. Ndathie, I'm going to the market. Thoko kugura, to buy potatoes. Waru. Ndathie thoko kugura waru. Or I can say I'm going to the market to buy tomatoes. Ndathie thoko kugura nyanya. Ndathie, I'm going. Thoko, market, kugura nyanya. Excuse me, guys. I'm being interrupted. I'm being interrupted by passerbys, so that's why you see me going silent, because quite in a busy place and people are walking every now and then. So when you see me quiet, just know some people are passing by. Now, ndathie ndathie, I'm going. Thoko, market, kugura, to buy nyanya. Nyanya is tomatoes. Ndathie thoko kugura nyanya. Kugura nyanya. To buy tomatoes. To buy tomatoes. Kugura. Kugura is to buy. Now, you might even say, oh God, I'm sorry. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Or you can even say ndathie duka kugura indo cia nyumba. I'm going to the shop to buy household stuff or household things or things. Ndathie, I'm going. Duka, shop. Kugura, to buy indo cia nyumba. Indo cia nyumba are household stuff or things that we have in the house, or just stuff that is used in the house. Ndathie duka kugura indo cia nyumba. And then maybe you might go, let's say you are already in the shop, or you are already in the market, and maybe you're there looking at things, and you already saw something that already impresses you, or something that you want to buy. You might want to ask, who is selling here? No urendia haha. No urendia haha. Who is selling here? Or who is the seller? Or anyone selling? No urendia haha. Or you can say, you can even ask, eko mwendia. Where is the seller? Eko mwendia. Eko mwendia. Eko mwendia. Where is the seller? The seller is called mwendia. Eko mwendia. Or you can say no redia haha. And then maybe the seller is already there, and he or she might ask you, might say nenie diredia. I am the seller. Nenie diredia. I am the one selling here. Nenie diredia haha. I am the one selling here. Or he or she might say, I am the seller. Nenie mwendia. Nenie mwendia. Now maybe she or he has already said she's the seller, and maybe she will tell you, she will ask you, how can I help you? Niki ugienda kugura, or ni atia ingiguteithia? How can I help you? Or how may I help you? Ni atia ingiguteithia? Ni atia ingiguteithia? How can I help you? And then you might say, as the buyer, ndirenda unjire bei ya indo ici. I want you to tell me the price of these things. Ndirenda, I want you unjire to tell me the price of these things. Ndirenda unjire bei ya indo ici. Ndirenda unjire bei ya indo ici. I want you to tell me the price of these things. Or you can say, you can just say, I want to know the price of this seat. Let's say you saw a seat and you want to buy, and or maybe you are interested and you want to know how much is it. You can say, ndirenda unjire urendia atia gĩtĩ gĩkĩ. Or you can say, urendia atia, urendia atia. How much are you selling this for? Like, how much are you selling this for? Urendia atia, urendia atia. Now the buyer, the seller might say, I'm selling this for 2,000. Ndirendia ngiri igĩrĩ. Ndirendia ngiri igĩrĩ. I'm selling 2,000. Ndirendia, I'm selling ngiri thousand igĩrĩ two. I'm selling this for 2,000. And maybe you might say, oh, that's too much. Nĩ goro mũno. You can say nĩ goro mũno, or that is like saying it's too expensive. Or now maybe you've said it's expensive, and maybe you want to say, can you give it to me at a cheaper price? No wendie raithi gũkĩra ũguo. No wendie raithi gũkĩra ũguo. Raithi meaning cheaper. Can you sell at a cheaper price? At a cheaper price than 2,000? No wendie raithi gũkĩra ũguo. Can you sell at a cheaper price than 2,000? And maybe the seller might say, yes, I can give it for 1,500. No ugure na ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. That is what he might say. For example, when he's saying, I can give it for 1,500. Ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. Ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. Or he can say, bei ya mũico nĩ ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. Bei ya mũico nĩ ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. The last price is 1,500. Bei, the price, ya mũico, the last price, I mean the last, nĩ ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. It's 1,000 ngiri ĩmwe magana matano. 500. 1,500. And maybe you are contented with that price and you might say, Johera Morigo. Well, pack for me the seat, I'll take it with me. Johera Morigo. Johera Morigo. Pack for me the load, or pack for me the seat, I'll take it. That's what you might say. For example, if you really want to buy, or you have agreed with the price and you took the thing. So now maybe you give the seller 2,000 and you want to request a change. How do you say that? Negera sheji, negera sheji, negera sheji. Give me the change. And maybe he might ask you, how much is the change? Sheji yaku neshigana. How much is the change? Sheji yaku neshigana. Sheji, change, is how much. How much is your change? Ne magana matano. It's 500. Ne magana matano. Ne magana matano. Ne magana matano. It's 500. Sheji yaku, your change is 500. Sheji yaku ne magana matano. Kesheji, take your change. Kesheji, take your change. Or he can say kesheji yaku, take your change, like being specific, telling you take your change. Kesheji yaku. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right here. It's quite a challenge to bring this to an end, but I'm forced to end it right here because the street is becoming quite busy and I have a lot of people walking around and looking very, very strange. Well, I don't want this to go ahead. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep commenting, give me more suggestions, and I hope I was able to answer your request and your suggestion. Till we meet again next time, goodbye. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.